Okay, now I need everybody to go get their journal and a pencil. I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Ready? Number 1, it. Put it away. It. Number 2, him. I gave him a gift. Him. Ready for the next word? 3. The word is. She is my best friend. Is. Number 4. Write the word sip. Take a sip of the drink. Sip. The next word, number 5, is fit. All my markers fit in the box. Fit. Number 6 is pin. She uses a pin to hold her hair. Pin. Number 7 is rich. The treat is rich and creamy. Rich. Number 8 is spin. Spin the top. Spin. Did you spell the words correctly? Check it against the words on the screen. Correct any words that you misspelled. Then take a picture and turn it in to your teacher.